Alright, I got a little studio apartment that I rent. I actually had a girl and a guy move out. I guess they were getting divorced or something, not really sure. They parted ways either way. But she's been in contact with me about cleaning it and stuff. So we're gonna go check it out and see what it looks like. See if we can get it re-rented pretty quick. Well, so far, the porch is just kind of chipped up. It's not their fault or anything, just some wear and tear on it. But I can smell the cat pee from here. So we'll keep our fingers crossed that it don't get worse. She's mopped here recently. I can't tell what's cat pee and yeah, it smells like cat pee. Cat pee. I'm gonna be honest. Cat pee's a pretty foul odor. A little pungent, if you will. I mean, I think I even taste it. We'll turn the air conditioners on and I'll kind of acknowledge what I can figure out about cleaning that, or at least that smell. This, I think they spilled some grease and it like literally burnt that spot in the vinyl. I replace this vinyl every single time, but this isn't a bad little place. She's cleaned it pretty good. The cat pee smells kind of a little violent. So, I mean, it's not that bad in this room. It's a little tiny bathroom this thing's got. So that's what I'm saying. It's kind of pine and saw too, so I have to let it get dried out and kind of figure out what's what here. This light's flickering, so I got to figure this light out. I have to check it out, but it's a window unit type place, gas heat, and I guess they said they didn't really even have to run the gas heat. They run a couple little heaters and it done fine, but just a little 2-bedroom. I think it's gonna be a pretty quick turnaround on this one. Just some cleaning, some stuff of that caliber. I think it should be okay. You don't really smell anything in here, so it might be kind of, yeah, I think it's just kind of secluded to the living room, which there's standing water where she's mopped, pretty heavy. So we may be able to figure out something in here. But yeah, it just needs some cleaning. Actually didn't turn out too bad. I may even consider painting it. I don't think I will because it's going to be 2 young guys. I think it's going to be the ones that some of my other renters that I rent to, I think they got 2 young boys who are wanting to rent this one. Makes me nervous. 2 young guys. We'll see. But either way, it's actually not that bad. Thanks for leaving the rental halfway decent. The cat pee smell, I'm hoping it'll go away. The bottom of the doors, it's old school doors, so I have to put a couple of bolts in like the bottom hinges and stuff. But overall, the ceilings look okay. These guys were here for quite a while, a couple of years I think. And the ceiling in here could probably use painting. And maybe this one. It's not bad though, it's not the worst I've seen. It's not horrible. Just maybe it's a little more cleaning, a little more tightening it up. Should be okay. Doesn't look horrible. So finally a little bit of a break on one. So, alright, here we go. And always, like I always do, I spoke too soon. Alright, so here's the door. Okay. Here's some more. There's the vinyl. And the water's dripping over here. So, I don't even know if these things work. We'll figure out these, we'll figure out the dripping water situation. And we'll just go from there. I'm gonna have to change that faucet out, and gonna have to get that vinyl tore out. This vinyl probably, again, with it being two young guys, kind of not sure how far I want to go with what I want to clean or do. You know what I mean? If you get where I'm going, picking up what I'm laying down here. But the fridge still works. Yeah, this thing just needs cleaned. But yeah, we're gonna have to replace some stuff in here for sure. For sure, I can't let that go. I gotta fix that water leak, and this vinyl's pretty bad, and this room's pretty nasty. So, well, I'll have to fix that stuff. I can't walk away from this. But alright, spoke too soon. There is some work here to do. So I guess that's my stuff on my next list here. Alright, so could have been a lot worse. Has been a lot worse. Alright, here we go. So we're at the shop, and we're trying to get everything ready to go drifting tomorrow. My son will probably end up towing his car, and I'll probably pull the G35 on the bed too, because neither one of them do good in the rain. So we'll probably tow both of them. It's trying to rain already. We was going to actually wash them off a little bit, clean them up, make them look halfway decent for tomorrow. I think it's going to try to rain on me, so if I can at least get them gone through a little bit, bolt checked, and loaded. If it rains on them, it rains on them. They just have to be spotted up, I guess. But it ain't no big deal. I was planning on washing my rollback, kind of cleaning it out and clean the cars up, maybe mount cameras and get stuff ready for tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. We're getting there. Just one of those things. It's actually okay now that we've drifted in the rain. It's not bad. We've drifted in a pouring down rain. You've probably seen that video. It's not bad. Not afraid of it. Actually, it's pretty fun. And so, rain or shine, we're going tomorrow. We gotta, like I say, he's gonna go fuel his up. I need to check the fuel on mine. I think the rollback's good. I can at least top it off tonight. I may drive this one a little bit with that new clutch. We took it drifting first thing after I got it in, and we hadn't really broke it in a lot. I just want to make sure it's good. Actually, I cleaned out the clutch reservoir. It was already starting to turn brown and nasty and filthy. Maybe I didn't clean the hose out that good, but it's all new fluid. Should have been all the way through that system. New line on the bottom. The only thing that stayed was the old hose and maybe the cap. I didn't think about that, but I don't think I cleaned the cap. But it's pretty nasty. So I went ahead and unhooked the reservoir and dumped it out, put all new fluid in that reservoir, filled it back up with clean fluid. And if it does it again, it may be just heating, burning that fluid up or something. I may just go ahead and change it to upgrade the actual quality. Been used to using the old parts store brake fluid, .4. So we'll see if it clears up or does any better this weekend. We may end up changing all that fluid then. And those are a pain to bleed. Just so you know, if you ever do a wheelwood clutch on a G35 or 350Z, it takes a minute to get them to start bleeding. We dealt with that. So, all right, here we go. All right, so it drug coming in the driveway after shop, but still kind of dark on it. That's my boy. So we decided to put a sticker in the windshield. Alright, so it's getting later. I've been tinkering here all day, trying to get everything together. I got them both washed up. He's ready to go. He's ready to go. Got some of my hand tools gathered up here. And so I'm actually gonna start getting everything packed up here in a minute. Both cars loaded up. I don't know if it's supposed to rain or not, so I gotta figure that out. And there's a new bumper. I left a little soap. But, all right. So we're ready to go. Well, close. All right, here we go.
I'm feeling high.